how to create a new account in Among Us mobile. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can create a new account on Among Us. So first is open up the game. At your left side, you should be able to see News, My Account, and then Settings. Choose on My Account, and then hit on the Account tab. And from here, choose on Manage Account. Then as you can see, you won't be able to change or to create a new account inside the game. You just have to hit on this blue highlighted link right here for you to be redirected into creating or managing your account in Among Us, which is going to be here. Now, the only way for you to be able to create a new account is to use up any accredited platforms like Steam, Epic Games, iOS, Xbox, or any available platforms right here. So if you started the game, you can go ahead and create an account directly from the game. You just have to reset it, but to create a new account, just choose on any affiliated platforms right here for you to start fresh. And that's it. That's how you create a new account in Among Us Mobile.